Hello friends, so today we are going to discuss for loops. For loops have majorly three segments, that is declaration of variable and then conditional statement followed by incrementation of the variable. As we can see in this example, variable I is declared and then we provided a conditional statement and then followed by and then I is incremented. So in this problem we have given two positive integers a and b. So what we have to do is uh, we need to run the loop in this interval and we will check if the number is in between 1 and 9, then we will simply print the number in words, and as if the number is greater than 9, then we will check if the number is even, then we will print even, else we will print odd. So as you can see in this example, we have given two positive integers 8 and 11, and as 8 is in between 1 and 9, so we printed it in numbers, that is e. So we printed it in words, that is EIGST8. Similarly, 9 lies in between 1 and 9, so we printed NINE9. And after that, 10 and 11 are greater than 9, so we will check if it is as 10 is even, so we printed even, and 11 is odd, so we printed odd. So look into the code. So firstly we have taken two inputs, to a and b, and then we run the loop in this interval. So if the number is less than equals to 9, then we will check if it is equals to 1, then we will print 1. If it is equals to 2, we will print 2, and similarly till 9. If it is equals to 9, then we will print 9. And if and as, so if the number is greater than 9, then we will check if the number is even, then we will print even, otherwise we will print odd. So let's try to run the code. Okay, so now we will submit the code. Yes, so stay connected for more videos. Thank you.